Imagine yourself relaxing at the end of the day and getting ready for a rejuvenating sleep session. Now think about adding something amazing to your nighttime routine: olive oil. In the advanced artificial intelligence domain, we know that the night is a crucial time for the body's renewal and repair processes. By making the most of this window, you can drink olive oil at night and give your body a special chance to absorb its rich benefits. The significant benefits of olive oil are particularly evident while you sleep, when your body's cells are busily engaged in the reparative processes. Olive oil's high monounsaturated fat content helps to maintain blood sugar levels, promote satiety, and may even prevent cravings that arise late at night. In today's video, we are going to talk about olive oil at night benefits. So if you want to know all about it, then keep watching this video till the end. Number 1. Enhance cardiovascular health. To support heart health, look no further than olive oil. This culinary treasure, which is high in monounsaturated fats, is critical for blood pressure control and lowering dangerous cholesterol levels. Incorporating olive oil into your evening routine can become a pleasurable habit with significant cardiovascular benefits. Incorporating olive oil into the evening meal also offers satiety and satisfaction, potentially helping to regulate appetite and prevent overeating later in the evening or before bed. This can indirectly support cardiovascular health by promoting weight management and reducing the risk of obesity-related heart issues. It's important to note that while olive oil offers numerous cardiovascular benefits, moderation is key. Excessive consumption can lead to unwanted weight gain and negate some of the positive effects. Additionally, pairing olive oil with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is essential for overall heart health. Number 2. Improved cognitive function. In recent years, the relationship between diet and cognitive function has garnered significant attention. Among the various dietary components, olive oil has emerged as a promising candidate for promoting brain health. While its benefits have been widely studied, the timing of consumption may play a crucial role in maximizing its cognitive effects. Interestingly, emerging evidence suggests that consuming olive oil at night could potentially offer enhanced cognitive benefits, contributing to improved brain function and overall well-being. Your brain, too, stands to gain from the wonders of olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil has been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. By sipping on it before bedtime, you're supplying your brain with essential nutrients during the vital restoration period of sleep. Number 3. Skin health and anti-aging. Maintaining healthy skin and combating the signs of aging are paramount concerns for many individuals. Incorporating olive oil into your nighttime skincare routine can offer a natural and effective solution to address these concerns. Olive oil, derived from the fruit of the olive tree, has been revered for centuries for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to nourish and protect the skin. When used as part of your nighttime skincare regimen, olive oil can promote skin health and help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Olive oil doesn't just work its magic internally, it extends its benefits to your skin. The antioxidants present can shield your skin from oxidative stress, effectively reducing signs of aging. Also helps in fighting for those who have eczema and other skin conditions. Taking olive oil at night might just be the secret to a radiant complexion, and sipping it at night ensures your skin enjoys these rewards during the body's natural repair processes. Number 4. Improved digestive wellness. Olive oil isn't just a culinary delight, it also plays a role in promoting healthy digestion. Its mild laxative effect can assist in preventing constipation and support the efficient breakdown of food. Sipping on olive oil before bed might just be the digestive aid you need for a smoother gut experience. Improving digestive wellness through the consumption of olive oil at night can be a beneficial addition to your routine. Olive oil, renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly for the digestive system, offers a rich source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Incorporating it into your evening regimen can promote better digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and contribute to overall well-being. Consuming olive oil at night can also support the body's natural detoxification processes. As you sleep, your body undergoes various metabolic activities, including detoxification. Olive oil aids in this process by promoting the flow of waste through the digestive system and supporting liver function, which is essential for eliminating toxins from the body. Number 5. Optimized sleep quality. Optimizing sleep quality with olive oil consumption at night is a topic that has garnered interest due to the potential benefits of this natural substance. While olive oil is primarily known for its culinary uses and health benefits, its impact on sleep quality is a relatively less explored area. However, some studies suggest that certain components of olive oil, such as oleic acid and polyphenols, may have properties that could indirectly promote better sleep. Here we delve into how incorporating olive oil into your nighttime routine might contribute to improved sleep quality. Firstly, it's important to note that consuming olive oil before bed should be done in moderation. While olive oil is a healthy fat, excessive consumption can lead to weight gain and other health issues, which may negatively impact sleep in the long run. Therefore, a small amount, such as a teaspoon or tablespoon, is generally recommended. Number 6. Reduced inflammation. Taking olive oil at night is like a healthy superhero, did you know that? Its potent antioxidant content, particularly that of polyphenols, is what gives it its magical anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is an excellent ally in preventing chronic illnesses and improving general health, since it reduces inflammation. Here's a fantastic tip. Eat a small amount of olive oil before bed. Your body will appreciate the anti-inflammatory benefits during its crucial rest and recuperation period. One key compound found in olive oil is oleocanthal, which exhibits similar anti-inflammatory effects to ibuprofen, a common over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medication. Oleocanthal works by inhibiting enzymes involved in the inflammatory process, thus reducing inflammation and associated discomfort. Moreover, olive oil is abundant in antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, which are implicated in the inflammatory response and various chronic diseases. Number 7. Potential anti-cancer properties. While olive oil has been praised for its numerous health benefits, including potential anti-cancer properties, there isn't substantial scientific evidence specifically suggesting that consuming olive oil at night enhances its anti-cancer effects compared to other times of the day. However, let's delve into the general anti-cancer properties of olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, EVO, is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and various bioactive compounds that have been associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer. One such compound is oleocanthal, which has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties in some studies. Additionally, oleuropein, another compound found in olive oil, has been shown to possess anti-cancer effects in laboratory studies. The Mediterranean diet, of which olive oil is a key component, has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer incidence and mortality in several observational studies. This dietary pattern emphasizes the consumption of plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and olive oil, while limiting the intake of red meat and processed foods. Number 8. Joint and bone health. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties extend beyond internal organs to support joint health. Regular consumption may alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis, fostering greater joint flexibility and reducing discomfort. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats contribute to maintaining robust bone health. Furthermore, vitamin K, found abundantly in olive oil, contributes to bone metabolism and helps maintain bone density. It activates osteocalcin, a protein necessary for bone formation, thereby supporting overall bone health and integrity. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory effects of olive oil can indirectly benefit bone health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are detrimental to bone tissue. Chronic inflammation can lead to bone resorption, weakening the bones over time. By incorporating olive oil into your nightly regimen, you may mitigate this risk and support optimal bone health. It's worth noting that while olive oil offers numerous benefits for joint and bone health, it's essential to consume it as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Additionally, maintaining an active lifestyle with regular weight-bearing exercises further promotes bone strength and flexibility. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.